In this video, we will see how can we find a record with a filter. So go to Datastore Manager, select Find Record with a filter, select your database connection, select Datastore, add condition here. So for example, customer number equals to, and I'll simply enter WABA here. You can add multiple conditions here. Select sort by order, ascending or descending. Here I can also add an example once and click on run and save. As we can see in the run history, here we have all the data. So let's change this to WABA again and then click on save.